leg pain, then you want to go toes up in order to reduce the leg pain. So whether you feel pain like in your upper legs, your lower legs, maybe you're into your butt a little, you feel tightness, stiffness, then you want to put your toes up to relax, decrease that pain. So what I mean by toes up, so if you find something like a curve or something, you want to bring your toes up, and then you want to lean forward, right? And you're going to feel that stretch, the stretch in your calf. Because here's the thing, we have this fascia, or you can think of it as a sheet that goes from your toes. It goes all the way up here, and it's connected to your upper legs all the way up here. It actually goes into your lower back and up into your head. But it's like a sheet, right? And if you don't stretch it, it contracts. So when it contracts, it pulls. It contracts like this. When it contracts, it causes pain, stiffness in your legs. So you want to go toes up. If you have super tight calves, you want to just do one foot at a time. Maybe have a chair beside you to balance, right? You can switch off and just stretch for 30 seconds. And then, if you have something like this, or you can get a chair up front or a counter, and you're going to put both of your toes, both toes up, right? And then try to stand up. You'll notice, man, it really stretches, right? You want to hold that for 30 seconds, right? You may start off like this because it hurts, and then slowly move up until where you can stand up straight. Because by the time you can stand up straight, and then you do that for 30 seconds and then walk around, you'll notice your pain, your stiffness in your legs instantly goes away, right? So the better the angle, the higher the toes can go up, the better the stretch and the better the relief. Make sure you give this a try. Comment below. Let me know that it works. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok. Got toe pain? Then you want to wrench your fingers. So it doesn't matter which toes, any of your toes that hurt, but a lot of times it's the big toe, right? The big toe hurts. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the microsystem built in to your body. Some people call it reflexology. You can do it, reflexology is like on the feet, but you can have reflexology points on your hands, right? So we have microsystems in our body, which means your hand is connected to your foot. So whatever toe hurts in your foot, that's what you wrench on or pull on your finger. So let's say big toe, your big toe hurts, right? So your big toe, you're gonna get your thumb and you're going to just pull on it like this, okay? Pull on. I'm just doing slow motion here, but you wanna do it fast, okay? Because you wanna stimulate all the nerves that are in your thumb, which will stimulate blood circulation to your big toe. So you're gonna do this, okay? Do it for about 1 minute, right? You're gonna feel your thumb get really warm. Now, if the pain is in the joint of your toe, you want to find the joint of your thumb, right? Joint of your thumb, and you want to push around, and you want to find a tender spot. And that's where you really dig in, because that's the point that will really stimulate blood circulation to your big toe, right? Now, if your second toe hurts, then you do your second finger, index finger, right? Same thing, okay? You want to pull it, right? For about a minute, right? Same thing. Now, if it hurts in the tendons, then you want to find the tendon. See the tendon? You want to find the tendons and you want to dig in. So middle toe, you do the middle finger, right? You do the middle finger, right? If it's the fourth toe, you do the fourth toe. If it's the pinky toe, you do the pinky toe. So you can use either hand, it doesn't matter. But you want to do this every single day, at least 3 times for 1 minute on that specific finger that corresponds to the toe. Do this for every day, right? And start walking. After you do it, start walking. And you should see instant relief in your toes, right? Make sure you give this a try. Comment below to let me know how it works. And make sure you hit the follow button. Hit the follow button, the plus sign. Follow me here on TikTok.